Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this media offline issue. Now, basically what we need to do is relink the clips because the file path has changed. So if only a few clips are offline or they are all in one known folder, let's go to the media pool, select the offline clips, and then we'll have a red media offline icon. So if I just like that, right click and then select the relink selected clips. Um, and then what you need to do is just navigate to the folder where you have this uh, media. Now, if your whole timeline is red because an external drive change letters, click the relink icon. This looks like uh, two chain links at the top left of the media pool right here, as you can see, this one. If you click on it in the window that appears, click locate. Uh, locate. So let's say this one, for example, or sound effects epidemic, just like that, and then search um, for the entire project. And when you do that, just select folder and you have relinked your media. And yeah, I think that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.